being said and done, there are 3 more things that I'll tell you to do now, which are way, way, way more important than whatever I've told over here. Ready to see that? पढ़ो इसको ध्यान से. यो जतिन, वेलकम. इसको ध्यान से पढ़ो, क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे. First thing is, stop worrying about the negatives. Do you realize that time is absolutely important for us right now? The more time we waste, the more we are going further from our goal. Now once we start thinking negative, जब मेरा दिमाग हो गया दुखी कि अरे यार अब तो कुछ नहीं होगा जिंदगी में, गए. There have been times, यार. There were times when I used to just sit in my room, my head in my hand, and just think कि यार अब कैसे होगा? How can I do it? The point is, after a certain number of iterations of this being sad and not doing anything for that entire day, I realized when you are thinking about the negatives, you are wasting time. Okay? You are wasting time. Right now, the only thing that you should worry about is preparation. Prepare करो ना यार. खुश रह के prepare करो. If by chance you don't get numbers in the examination, if you don't get a rank in the examination, you should worry about it later. बाद में सोचना ना यार उसके बारे में. ठीक है? So first stop worrying about the negatives. Second thing is believe in yourself. Okay? Now this is where you all will have a very big doubt. Okay, I'll tell you what your doubt is. A lot of people asked me already. कि यार lakhs of people give JEE. Agreed? कि यार 10 लाख, 12 लाख, 5 lakh, depending on whatever year it is, so many people give the JEE examination. But only a tiny handful, just थोड़े से लोग clear करते हैं. Yeah, approximately 10 lakh people actually give the examination, but only a very few people actually get into a good college. Why is that so? And the answer to that question that you all have lies over here. People, one thing is, okay, I'll tell you one thing, giving up is easy. Okay? Giving up is very easy. यार कुछ नहीं करना. All you have to do to give up is just sit in one place and do nothing. This is the easiest thing that you can do right now. छोड़ छाड़ के बैठ जाओ. And out of that 10 lakh students that are giving the examination, trust me when I say this, at least 90% of them have given up already. Sorcerer, point taken man, I will try to do a video on that. यार देखो छोड़ छाड़ के बैठ जाना बहुत आसान है. You have lot of stress right now. You are undergoing a very huge physical change as well in this age. Your parents are also expecting a lot of things from you. Your friends are telling you they know everything and they'll go to the best college in the world and become the president of the country someday. Something is going on in your life right now. Maybe some personal problems. कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा होता है सबकी लाइफ में इस टाइम पे यार. Yeah? This is the easiest option. You can give up. मूड है कर लो, किसी और का फायदा हो जाएगा. Okay? 90% of the people actually give up because of the stress. Right now is the time when most of the people have already given up. Give up कर कुरा के बचते कितने हैं लोग? मुश्किल से 50,000. After everyone has given up, the only people who stay in the race are hardly 50-60,000. Okay? Yes, Preetham. So people tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Do you want to be a part of the race or do you want to give up? बताओ मेरे को. If you want to be a part of the race, write race right now or write give up. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ अभी क्या मूड क्या है आपका. क्या मूड है आपका? बताओ. Preetham is already ready for the race. Okay. Okay. Lots of people are saying race में भाग लेना है. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. क्या बात है. Awesome. Good job, people. You've made me really happy right now. Awesome. I hope it's not just about typing these 4 letters over here. रेस में घुसना है तो भूल जाओ गिव अप करना. ओके, द रेस इज टफ. गिविंग अप इज व्हाट इज इजी, द रेस इज टफ. ओके, ये मुश्किल है. द रेस इज वेरी टफ. यू हैव टू compete with each other right now. जो आप खुश होके एक दूसरे के साथ गप्पे मार रहे हो, you have to compete with each other right now. Do you have time to think about the negatives? Do you have time to अरे मैं क्या? No time at all. All you need to do right now is run as fast as you can. Okay? Believe in yourself and please make sure in your mind you are chilled out. Do not worry about द टेंशंस इन योर लाइफ. तुम्हारा रिलेशनशिप सही नहीं चल रहा, भाड़ में जाए यार. अभी कैरियर बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव मनी टुमारो देन you know what will happen to your relationships, be it with your parents, be it with your partner, be it with your friends, whatever the case may be. If you are not able to take care of your own self, क्या फ़ायदा है यार.